Welcome back to Autoscope, Mercedes-Benz GLE Motorhome 2026. Exterior, sporty proportions and flowing body lines, based on the streamlined GLE SUV design, will remain a feature of the motorhome's modern and aerodynamic appearance. Future illumination is exemplified by Mercedes-Benz's recognizable multi-beam LED headlights. On the side, there will be a tastefully hidden electric awning that can be extended by pressing a single button. The motorhome's entrance will look attractive with an automated retractable staircase. Wheel and color options, large alloy wheels with a distinctive design will complete the luxurious look. External storage space, a hidden storage compartment underneath the body will provide ample space for outdoor gear. Interior ergonomics and comfort, the driver's and passenger seats will be covered in high-quality Nappa leather, have heating and ventilation, and be able to massage. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS like as Parktronic, lane keeping assist, and Distronic Plus will be available for maximum comfort and safety. High-end elements like as metal accents, elegant solid surface panels, real wood, and Alcantara leather. Tables that are folding or slide will maximize the space's versatility. Big panoramic windows with electric shades. A 2-burner induction hob, a stainless steel sink with a designer tap, a large capacity compressor refrigerator and freezer, an integrated microwave, a convection oven, and ingenious storage for groceries and utensils are some of the kitchen's features. Permanent bed, in the back is a permanent double bed with a high-quality mattress and storage underneath. Smart storage includes wall cabinets with ergonomic designs and hidden drawers. Mercedes-Benz engines that are reliable, using powerful and efficient GLE engines, maybe a few gasoline or diesel engines, and maybe a plug-in hybrid PHEV model for better fuel efficiency and short-range electric driving. Automatic transmission. The Distronic automatic transmission ensures smooth and efficient gear changes. All-wheel drive for a MATIC by providing increased traction in a variety of road conditions. Has a flat-screen TV.